Hi everyone, today I would like to do test of different brands on connector versus GECKO connectors. For this test, we will be using the GECKO Truth T3 audiophile grade signal cable, and for these two pieces of cable, one cable will be using GECKO connectors, the other cable will be using brand A connectors. For this test, both the cables are having the same length. Okay, let's do for verification. We are actually running on GECKO Truth T3 cables, and this as well. Alright, let's do the test. Now we will start off with GECKO cable terminated with brand A connectors. Let's see how the effect goes. Okay. Now with the gain down, fader set at 0 dB, no EQ, no effects. We will do the test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. 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 Right, now we will switch this to the cable terminated with GECKO connectors. Same, we will be using the same channel, same gain, same EQ. We will just unmute this channel and test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. 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 So from what I'm hearing from the speakers in front here, live, in this live environment, what I can hear is the volume is significantly louder and the tone is significantly more balanced. The voice is, the details are more forward, and overall the tonality and the spectrum, the reproduction is more balanced. So guys, not all connectors are made the same. Okay, thank you.